Welcome back to Anfal Rajpoot official YouTube channel. If you've been looking for effective ways to lose weight quickly, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we will share some valuable tips and tricks on how to lose 5 kilograms in just 5 days. Keep watching for a safe and effective approach to jump-start your weight loss journey. Before we begin, it's important to note that shedding 5 kilograms in 5 days is an ambitious goal. While it's possible to lose some weight in this time frame, it primarily depends on your body type, metabolism, and overall health. Our focus today will be on combining healthy strategies to lose weight safely and effectively. Tip 1. Start with a balanced diet. The first step towards losing weight is to prioritize a balanced and nutritious diet. This involves consuming the right combination of macronutrients such as proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Ensure that your meals include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products. Tip 2. Portion control and calorie deficit. To create a calorie deficit, watch your portion sizes and aim to consume fewer calories than you burn. Remember, losing weight too rapidly is not advisable for long-term success, so focus on a modest calorie deficit of 500–1,000 calories per day. This gradual approach will help you lose weight in a healthy and sustainable manner. Tip 3. Stay hydrated and limit sugary beverages. Water is essential for weight loss. Staying hydrated can boost your metabolism and reduce hunger cravings. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. Additionally, avoid sugary sodas, energy drinks, or excessive caffeine as they can hinder your progress. Opt for healthier alternatives such as herbal teas or infused water. Tip 4. Incorporate physical activity. While a healthy diet is crucial, incorporating physical activity will enhance your weight loss efforts. Engage in moderate intensity exercises like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming for at least 30 minutes a day. This will not only burn calories but also improve your cardiovascular health and overall well-being. Tip 5. Get adequate rest and manage stress. Ample sleep and stress management play a vital role in weight loss. Ensure you are getting 7–9 hours of quality sleep each night. Chronic stress can lead to weight gain, so practice relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. Prioritizing your rest and managing stress levels will support your weight loss journey. And there you have it. These were our top tips on how to safely lose 5 kilograms in just 5 days. Remember, always prioritize your health and well-being above rapid weight loss. Adopting a sustainable lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, portion control, regular physical activity, hydration, and stress management will result in long-term success. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to never miss a